Hey, I'm Gary Berger of Berger Law here with my client and now friend,
That's
Nancy.
right.
How are you doing today?
Doing wonderful.
Have you ever done a video like this before?
No, I haven't.
And what did you say right before I made you do it?
I said, well, I guess I can.
Thank you so much. So you are here today. Why are you here at our firm?
Well, I came to pick up a settlement check from Workman's Comp and just close out Workman's Comp because it had drug out so long. And they had done a surgery that was unsuccessful, and I still have issues, and I need to get something done, for my knee.
And sometimes in work comp, it's good if you have a claim that's kind of delaying,
Yes.
you don't want to delay it anymore. So we were able to settle the case. Were you happy with the
Absolutely.
amount of money we got?
Yes.
And
I
this
was.
check for you, it's a lot of money, right?
It is.
and
it is.
and
Very
did you know?
happy.
Did you know it's tax free to you?
No, I didn't. That's amazing.
The government gets us everywhere, and tax day is like 2 weeks from now. But the one place where they don't is in a personal injury or workers' compensation settlement, where they don't get a dime. You don't even have to put it on your tax return.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
But I'm just so thankful to you guys help me because you can't fight by yourself, and you guys were wonderful, easy to talk to,
Thank you.
and just really appreciate everything you guys did.
Thank you. So what did you learn from this process, going through the comp process? That what you just said, that you need someone to fight
You
alongside
do,
you?
because as an individual that is not well versed on the legal system,
Like everybody.
I've
right?
never heard a lawyer before, so this was all new to me, and just felt like it was climbing a mountain, by yourself, and I just really appreciated it because it does take someone to help you. You just really can't fight workman's comp by yourself.
You can't.
So.
You can't. It really helps, and especially in cases where there's a surgery like you had, and where you're recovering from it. You got all your medical paid for you. Did they pay you TTD or temporary total disability while you were off?
I work as a salaried employee, and I was off very little time. I
Right,
went back to work
right.
on crutches, so I
Right.
did have that covered, but I just kept working. They needed me, and I needed to work, but it's just with the problem with taking too much of the meniscus out, it's just not going to get any better.
Right.
It's going to go to the point of knee replacement, and I just it just deteriorates more. So now I can move forward
And what you
and get that done.
And what you mean is, now that you can be out of comp, you can move forward on your own personal health insurance.
Yes.
For any additional treatment that you may need,
And-
rather than fight it in comp, because it's not going to get any better.
No,
And
no.
you can also, the other thing is that in work comp, did I interrupt you just now?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
In the employer chooses the medical doctors, right?
Right.
So sometimes, if you have someone do a surgery and you're not better, would you want to do it twice with the same person?
No, definitely, and that was really the biggest motivation, because I thought if they do try to correct this, I don't, definitely you don't want to go back to the person that made the error in the first place. But yes, through my regular insurance now, there will be out of pocket, and this will help cover that, and I can see my way to
Absolutely.
go getting this knee fixed. So,
Good. I mean, totally, and this will help you a long way towards that, right?
Absolutely.
And then some.
I would assume it would. I hope so. I don't know how much out of pocket will be, but this should cover it.
Oh,
And I
man.
really feel like it will.
Oh, yeah.
So.
How was your experience in dealing with the lawyers and paralegals we have here at Berger Law?
Oh, great. I can't say enough about that. Everyone was super nice to answer phone calls, to explain things to me. And just, a lot of times if you didn't get through to someone, they got right back to you. And, no one you can expect to get through, but always return those calls. That's just wonderful.
Great. Would you recommend us to other folks?
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely.
If you have any questions about workers' comp, we always answer questions for free, so call us at Berger Law. Thanks, Nancy.
Thank you, and I highly recommend them.
Thanks.